here in front to discuss about the reorder point or ROP and the economic order quantity or the AOQ. So what is the ROP? So the reorder point is the inventory level at a new or a must-be place to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stock outs. So the formula of ROP or reorder point is usage times lead time plus safety stock, where usage how many stocks will use, lead time is how long it will arrive or delivered, and the safety stock is extra inventory kept to cover unexpected. Example, if the company expected daily usage is 100 of wines, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or the reorder point? The formula is usage times lead time plus safety stock. The ROP equals 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. And ROP equals 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4. So ROP is 600 plus 400. So the ROP is 1,000 bottles of wine. Place an order June 13 and the lead time is 6 to 10 days and order will arrive June 19. And June 19, 6 days minimum order lead time. So safety stock date is June 19 to June 23, so 4 days. Therefore, the company should make the order when level of inventory is at 1,000. Let's proceed to EOQ. Economic order quantity is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order, one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stock. So determine the following: A to F. A is for EOQ, B is for numbers of order per year, C is total ordering cost per year, and D is average inventory, and E is total carrying cost per year, and T is total cost, and F is the total cost. So let's proceed to letter A, EOQ. So the formula is EOQ square root of 2 times O times N divide C. So EOQ square root of 2 times 350 pesos cost of placing an order times 20,300 kilos numbers of mangoes per year divide 5 is equal to 2,842. So square root of 2,842 is equal to EOQ 1,685.82 kilos. So letter B is number of order per year. So the formula is NO equals N divide EOQ. So NO is equal to 2. So let's proceed to letter C. So total ordering cost per year. So the formula is TOC is equal to NO times OC. So TOC is equal to 12.04. So the number of orders times 350 pesos cost of placing an order. So the TOC is 4,214. So let's proceed to letter D, average inventory. So the formula is AI equal EOQ divide 2. So AI equals 1,685.82 kilos divide 2 is equal EI equals 842.91 kilos. So letter A is total carrying cost per year. So the formula is TCC equals AI times CC. TCC equals 842.91 kilos times 5 pesos of cost of placing an order. So the answer is TCC equals 4,240.55 pesos. So the last one is F, the total cost. So the formula is TOC plus CC. TC equals 4,212 plus 4,212.55. The answer is TC 8,428.55 pesos.